Quasar Grace was never designed to blend in. Originally built for royalty and famously gifted to Princess Grace of Monaco, this iconic yacht now offers one of the most intimate and exclusive ways to experience the Galapagos Islands. With only 9 elegant cabins accommodating up to 16 guests, Quasar Grace invites you into a journey where privacy, personalized service, and timeless sophistication define every moment on board. Days begin surrounded by some of the most extraordinary wildlife on Earth. Sea lions bask along volcanic shores. Blue-footed boobies perform their unforgettable courtship dance. Giant tortoises roam ancient highlands, and marine iguanas glide effortlessly through crystal-clear waters. Guided by expert naturalists, every landing reveals a deeper connection to the islands and the remarkable ecosystems that inspired Charles Darwin's theory of evolution. Like the world's great safari experiences, each excursion is designed for meaningful encounters, small groups, expert guiding, and immersive exploration far from the crowds. Back on board, Quasar Grace offers a refined atmosphere that feels both historic and relaxed. Thoughtfully restored interiors preserve the yacht's original character while introducing contemporary comfort and understated luxury. Sun decks invite quiet moments between excursions. Elegant dining spaces set the scene for exceptional cuisine crafted with fresh local ingredients. Attentive service anticipates your needs with warmth, precision, and ease. More than a luxury cruise, Quasar Grace is a journey shaped by heritage, exploration, and authenticity. For travelers seeking a more intimate Galapagos experience, few yachts offer a story quite like this one. Discover the Galapagos aboard Quasar Grace with Quasar Expeditions. Memories for a lifetime await.